to draw a very simple, quick rice bowl. Kind of an animated looking rice bowl. It's going to be very simple, easy for beginners, so let's get started, okay? Really easy. Like, I mean, the easiest thing you've drawn in a while. Curve right here on one side. Go over here on this side. Curve over here. Wrap around the lip over here on this side. Lip around this side. Line underneath. Straight across for the bowl itself. It's going to go right here. And it's going to be rice in this rice bowl. So we're going to kind of curve, little curves right there. Same thing right here, same thing right here, just little curves to show that there's like rice in there. Line up here, curve down for one. Line up here, curve down right here for another stick. Line right here for the eye. Line right here for this eye. Line across the middle. Curve underneath. Tongue right here. Line right here. And line right here. Cool. That's pretty much it. You can throw a line right here for the chopsticks as well. I forgot the line. And if you really want, you can throw kind of like a thicker line right here under the eye, because he's just kind of ha-ha laughing. So a couple of different things you can do to this if you like. You don't have to. You can grab a color here, maybe throw like a blue around the bowl a little bit to kind of give it a little bit of depth. Maybe you can go over here on this side and throw a little bit of brown on this side. Hold on. A little bit of brown. Brown right here in the chopsticks. And you can throw a little bit of red over here on the tongue. A red on the tongue there. Just to give it a little bit of color. Pretty much it. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. What I want you to do is to subscribe, click the bell notification for very quick, easy drawing lessons. Talk to you later.